Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about how we can create a custom report in Go High Level and how we can automate to send our clients or our customer, or even we can send to our own agency owners as well. So let me dive in video without wasting time and I will show you step by step how we can design custom report. It's a super easy step. So first of all we need to go to the reporting section. You need to log in into your sub account and go to reporting section. Here we have options where you can create your custom report or you can use any other report that you have already. So I simply go and click on a new report, and here we have three options that's are coming soon. You can import from your template library or you can clone any report that you already have. So if you want to import from your dashboard as well, you can just simply click on it, but right now I am going to create a blank report here. I just click on it and I just give the name of, I just put the name of report. We will say it's my report for test. Just simply say my report for test. Here we have just basic template. We can change it according to our requirements, and for example the first step I just go here and here you can see that's our cover page. If you want to show this cover page you can just simply show it, otherwise you can just uncheck this, then you don't have any cover page. And you want to change this title or you want to add this title more conveniently, you can just simply click on it and you can edit it according to your requirements and show dates, this date, and show divider, this divider. For example you want to uncheck this, the divider is missing, and if you want to add divider so you can add divider. You want to show date here, just simply click on it. Show cover, just simply click on it. Okay, I just uncheck this one and I just go back here, and right now I don't have a cover, but if you want to design a cover it's up to you. You can design according to your requirement, but right now I'm going to design the report and after that we can design a cover. So first of all in the first section what we need to do, I just go here, add to widgets. Here you can see we have reports for contacts, for appointments, for opportunities, for visitor data, emails, calls, conversations, and payments, and general as well. So what I can do go for contacts. For the first section I will say I need this contact, and I just say contacts detail here, contacts counts, and I just simply go to advanced contacts created on, and you can select like I need report created on content, and here you can select your report. I just go with this quarters and I just simply click on it. So here we have this design. You can choose your theme according to your requirement, but for now I just choose this theme. So we have this theme, I just select this one, and other things I just go back again in element and widgets, and in widgets go to contacts again, and we need to select whatever you want to add your widgets. Here is all widgets. Contacts with phone number, contacts without emails, contacts with emails. So for example we will say contacts with phone number. I just simply go to here. If you want to add conditions you can add conditions as well. So right now I just go to here, and that's the design what we need here, and after that I just select the range of contacts, whatever contacts you have, and it's up to you. The contacts, they have their phone number, so I just select this one, I just select this one. We can choose this theme for this whole details, and another section what we can do, and another section we can add just more things here, like we can add more widgets that you want from contacts. And in my case I'm going to use contacts by activity, contact by type, contacts by assign user. Just I can go with this one, the contact assigned to assign with the tag, or no, we can say that not this one, contact assign, go to advanced, and I just simply click on it, go to theme, select theme, and I just use this one like in a graph section. So in graph we don't it's not look professional, so I just go back on this format, contact assigned by the user, and that's how you can design this amazing report. And in the next section what I can do, I can take one more widgets here for contacts, and after that we can use emails reports and for other reports as well. And let me go with this one. We will say contact without we can say contact without email, that contacts don't have emails, you can just show them contacts without emails. So that's how you can design this amazing report. And after that, here I can use element first, and then we can use, I just go back here and just go to the elements. By the way, I can save it first, and I just go here and go to the elements again, and I need a title here. I just simply drag and drop the title, and I will say here is or we can say that email reporting. You can change colors and whatever you want to change, it's up to you. And I can choose a center, and I also choose on a left, right, no, I can use in a center. And again I go back here and I will go to the emails report, and I will say delivers emails that I want, and I just say save. Go back here, go to theme, go to select this one, and yeah, that's, you can drag and drop according to our requirement, and we can make it full line. Okay, and we can change this graph so it maybe looks good than this one. Yeah, it's okay. Count of emails, and I just go back in the number. Okay, I just save it and go back again, and I will say go to emails again, check emails, replied emails, bounce emails, whatever emails report you want, you can select here. For now I am going to use reply email, and I will say these are a reply email, and I just select the theme, this one, so it maybe looks good. So same in this method we can create reports for calls, for conversations, for payment. So my case, I just go for payment. For now I can use a similar revenue here, and also what we can do, we can add some requirement as well according to the design. That's for the last month, but we can, what we can say, I just go to here and revenue. Okay, that's not a last month, we can change the condition according to the requirement, but right now I can say here that's the last month. I can say till date, and I can make this one, that's the amount in the last few month we make. And after that, what we can do, we can design it according to other requirement as well. So once all these things are done, I just make the save report, and if you want to download, just simply click on download as well. Otherwise it's a usable, you can just simply click on it and you can use it for wherever you want to use. Even you can use it for other purposes as well. And here we can schedule on a daily basis report, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually. So I will say I will go with the weekly after 7 days, and previous 7 days whatever you want to use from emails, and you want to send the recipient emails. So for example, I just go to send this one, and you can write emails here. Hi, I would like to say thank you. So that's it, how we can create amazing report for our SaaS business or any other business that exists in a Go High Level or outside Go High Level. That's it from this video. If you need any help, just simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation, and I will jump with your call and I will guide you step by step how you can design report. Either if you need any Go High Level services, so we have all Go High Level services, so you can just jump with it and I will do all things for you. And I have a bonus link in description box below as well. You can just go and click, and you can see you can get $10,000 bonus as well. Just simply sign up with my affiliate link. Thank you so much for watching this video.